How's it going, everyone? So in this video, we will be making a hickey video. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So what we're gonna go over today in the video is how to give someone a hickey and how to get rid of a hickey with a banana. So these are two questions I got from subscribers. Both of them wanted to be on video, or both of them wanted their question asked on video. So that's what I'm doing. Again, for people wondering why I make hickey videos, it's very popular on my channel and I get a ton of questions from subscribers, believe it or not. So that's why we do it. My goal for this channel is to help people out. Doesn't matter what video they want, I will make it to help them out, as long as I get enough people asking for it. With that being said, let's talk a little bit. We'll talk about how to give someone a hickey, then we'll talk about how to get rid of it with banana peel. And then at the end, I'll tell you what my way is to get rid of it. So to get rid, or how to give someone a hickey is probably the easiest thing that you could possibly do. All you have to do is suck on the area for about 5 to 10 seconds and it will leave a mark, also called a love bite. It will leave a bruise on the area. And depending what area you suck or how many times you suck for, it will leave bruise after bruise after bruise after bruise. I've had some pretty insane hickeys and they were awful. So that's how you give someone a hickey. Very easy to do. You can do it on your arm, your neck, your shoulder, your chest. It does not matter. Yeah. So the other subscriber wants to know, can you get rid of a hickey with a banana peel? I've actually heard of some people talking about this before, and in my opinion, hell no. Hell no, what's a banana peel gonna do? I do not get that one. I've heard people talk about it before, where you get the banana peel and you actually rub the peel on the hickey for like a couple of minutes, and then you do that for a day or something and it will get rid of it. So that's nice. Even if it works, a day is too long in my opinion. You want to get rid of it fast. My way is 2 minutes. You get a coin or a spoon, you rub the area, 2 minutes, it's gone. For the people that doesn't work, try 5 minutes, 100% it's gone day. It will leave a red mark, 100% guaranteed. It will leave a mark on 100% of the people. So with that mark, or with that red mark that you're gonna get, allow 5 to 10 minutes for the redness to go away. Along with the redness going away, your hickey will also go away at the same time. Plus, if after 2 minutes it's not gone, what's going to happen is it's gonna be extremely faded to the point where you can barely see it. You do it for another 5 minutes, it'll be gone day, guaranteed. End of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. Thanks.